Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to add those classic cinematic black bars to your videos in Premiere Pro. This quick trick instantly gives your footage a more professional look. First, go to your project panel, right-click, and select New Item Adjustment Layer. Drag that adjustment layer over your footage on the timeline. With the adjustment layer selected, head over to the Effects panel and type Crop into the search bar. Once you find it, drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer. Now, go to Effect Controls. Here's where the magic happens. Set the top and bottom crop values to around 12% to create those cinematic bars. Also, you can add a keyframe in top and bottom 50%. To frame distance, add another keyframe where value 12% to create a cinematic opening. And just like that, you've got a cinematic look. These bars stay across all your clips on the timeline. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick editing tips.